girls, it's science time. And for this one, you'll need your plants, or you can look at my plants if you don't have your plants. And you'll need your bean journal and your flower journal and a pencil. And if you want to color, you can get a box of crayons too. So here we go. Today we are going to do the second page. Remember, we did the first page on Tuesday, so 2 days ago. Today's Thursday. And so we are going to do the second page of each. Come on over. Let's get started. So we're going to start today with our bean journal. I want to make sure I'm in the bean journal, and I'm going to move my flowers over so that I know I'm working with my beans. And on Tuesday, it was 5 days after we planted it. So if Tuesday was 5 days, then we go Wednesday, Thursday. So that's 2 more days. So that'd be 5, 6, 7. So today is day 7 for this seed. If you planted yours on a different day, you'll have to count how many days ago that was. Then my plant measures. I'm going to use my pencil again very carefully. Look how my bean plant has grown. It has taken off like crazy. So I'm going to put my pencil. Oh, and look, I noticed that the seed coat came off. And there it is, just laying there. And it isn't needed anymore. So it's just laying on the soil. All right, so I'm going to put my pencil on the soil, and I'm going to measure how long it is on my pencil, and I'm going to carefully straighten it. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, it is the same height as my pencil. So when I put that on here, look at that. It goes all the way to there. Wow, it's way longer than the ruler. So what I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to put my finger there, and I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to bring it over to my ruler, and I'm going to color this whole thing because that's how long it is when I put it, or how tall. Awesome. My plant measures, and I'm going to say more than my ruler. We could measure with something else next time. Maybe we'll measure how many fingers high. We'll have to decide. Okay. Now, oh, we have to draw it. Okay, so I need my soil. So I need a line for my soil. Remember, we don't want to draw it inside the cup because then we miss part of it. So then I have a stem coming up, and it kind of curves over. And look, these are the seed leaves here, so come look closely. These are those smooth seed leaves that every plant gets when it first grows, and they're very smooth. But these are the actual bean plant seeds, or leaves. Those are what the rest of the bean leaves are going to look at. Notice how they're pointier and they have some edges, but they're kind of curled up right now. So I'm just going to draw them at the top, kind of like that. And then I'm going to draw the seed leaves like this. And there's my plant. And I could use my crayons and color it in too. Then I want you to write what you observed. What changes happened? We noticed what? The seed coat came off. We noticed that it has grown a lot since we measured it last. So those are some sentences you can write, or think of your own. Now we're going to move on to our flower. You can take more time on this when you're not on the video, and we're going to move on to the next one. Here we go. We're checking on our flowers. Ta-da! All 3 of them are growing nicely. And who remembers what day it is for these seeds? It's day number, if you said 7, you're right, because remember 2 days ago it was day 5. So day 5, then 6, then 7. All right, my plant measures. I'm going to stick my pencil in, and I'm going to measure, and I'm going to touch where it comes. It comes this high up on my pencil, so I'm going to lay my pencil down. And it goes all the way to the 6. How exciting. All the way, so it measures 6 on my ruler. And we don't have to write 6 of what? It's just 6 on the ruler. That's how we do it in first grade. Oh, look, it only made it to the 3 2 days ago. If you listen very carefully, can you hear that sound? It's a tree frog outside. It's outside my window, and it's very loud. Okay, so now I have to draw my plant. So I'm going to draw my soil line. That's where the dirt is. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. Notice the
leaves on there. They're still the seed leaves. We don't have any pointy or different looking leaves yet, but they are definitely taller than they were last time. But we still just have the 2 smooth seed leaves on each. What have you observed? What changes happened? Write your sentences. Start with a capital letter, end with period or question mark or exclamation point.
Do your best handwriting, and you can color your picture in too. Have fun with your science. See you next time.